today I really want to make a condensed milk loaf, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 1 1/3 cup of flour, add in 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, add 230 grams of softened butter and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 3 eggs, one at a time. Mix until well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add in 1 can of condensed milk and mix until well combined. Add the flour mixture in 2 batches and mix until well combined. Pour your batter into a pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes.